Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best hydroponic systems in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is AeroGarden Harvest with Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit. The AeroGarden line is offered by AeroGrow International Incorporated, which was founded in the US in 2002. The company focuses on developing, manufacturing, and distributing state-of-the-art indoor garden equipment, seed kits, and many other accompanying accessories. Nowadays, AeroGrow International is a well-known brand worldwide. This AeroGarden hydroponic system is designed for cultivation of 6 plants at a time. The harvest may grow up to 12 inches tall. This system implies deep water techniques, as the growing process takes place in water and 5x faster than in soil. The enhanced growth is also ensured by the integrated 20-watt LED lighting system. Its height can be varied depending on the current crop's condition. The 15-hour light setting has proved its efficiency for rapid and healthy growth. Also, this unit comes with a user-friendly control panel which informs about the necessity to add water or fertilize under a preset schedule. More than that, this model is delivered with a non-GMO seed kit and a package of natural plant nutrients. Pros: growing LED lights, adjustable light arm, smart control panel, compact, includes herb seed kit and nutrients. Cons: suitable for moisture-loving plants only. The max plant height is limited. Number 2. Our second best pick is AeroGarden Harvest Elite with Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit. It is an advanced AeroGarden system. In general, this model is very similar to the above-reviewed one in its design and capacity. However, this Harvest Elite demonstrates some unique features which stand it out from other comprehensive counterparts. In particular, it comes in a rugged but sleek stainless steel design. Thus, you won't have any concerns regarding its arrangement in your house, as this unit fits in any interior perfectly. The Harvest Elite can accept up to 6 plants to be grown at a time with the height approaching 12 inches. The cultivation is realized in deep water media like with the AeroGarden Black Harvest system. The growing lighting system and control have the same principle of operation. However, in addition, it comes with adjustable light on times which can be customized on the built-in LCD panel depending on your needs. Also, this model can be switched to vacation mode to maintain adequate growing conditions while you are out. Pros: adjustable LED lighting system, customized settings, LCD control panel, vacation mode, durable design, stainless steel finish. Seed kit and plant food are included. Cons: suitable for moisture-loving plants only. The max plant height is limited. Number 3. Our third best pick is eSuperegrow Hydroponics Growing System. This smart garden comes with a controller which monitors the required water level in the system and informs you whenever it has to be refilled. Besides, this model features big-sized pots and water basins to provide vigorous growth of even vegetable plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, eggplants, etc. Besides, this unit is supplied with 60-inch climbing trellis which support your harvest throughout the entire life of the plant. The system can be arranged anywhere where direct sunshine can be obtained. Otherwise, it is strongly recommended to use growing lights for getting the best of this big smart hydroponics. Pros: suitable for growing large plants. Features a smart controller. Supporting trellis are included. Built-in water tank. Affordable price. Cons: no lights included. More suitable for rooms with high ceilings. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is VIVOSUN Hydroponics Growing System. This VIVOSUN hydroponic grow kit comprises 3 layers of planting racks which accept up to 90 plants. This system is based on nutrient film technique. Thanks to its circulation system, water consumption is considerably less in comparison with many hydroponic counterparts. Besides, the system includes a timer which activates the water pump by default setting. In particular, the pump runs for 5 minutes every half an hour to reach appropriate NTF conditions. Pros: the biggest number of plant sites in its class. Automatic water feeding system. Reduced water consumption. Simple assembly. Easy to use. Cons: no lights included. Takes more space. Requires a separate water tank. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Gardyn 1.0 Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System. Gardyn is a privately owned company which was founded in 2018 with the headquarters in Maryland, the U.S. The company offers a plug-and-play solution of indoor vertical hydroponics systems controlled via app technology. Their innovation is getting more popularity and recognition with each day worldwide. This Gardyn hydroponic system introduces innovative Y-Pod technology which relies on the app control. Thus, the system provides 30 places for various plants to be grown at the same time. Water for this harvesting process is stored in a 6-gallon reservoir. This capacity allows making this garden home fully autonomous for weeks with no water refilling. The manufacturer declares that the first sprouts will appear in just a few days after the final setup of the system. Multiple sensors serve to transfer real-time data to Kelby trademark Smart Garden Assistant. The information includes water level, temperature, humidity, and other data to promote plant growing efficiency. Gardyn features columns, Y-Pods, and a water reservoir made of high-quality FDA-compliant 100% recyclable plastics and aluminum. They can be washed in your dishwasher but typically require no care. The advanced design ensures full dissipation of heat coming from the integrated growing LED lights. They can be set manually or in auto mode depending on intensity working intervals needed. Pros: allows growing many large plants. Complete in-app device control. Growing lights are included. Integrated high-capacity water reservoir. Reduced water consumption due to the closed-loop system. Small footprint. Fancy design. Cons: Y-cubes have to be reordered to get a new harvest. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.